What is up, YouTube? This is my first ever video. I plan to do a lot more videos from here on out, but this is my first POV drive in my car. A few things. This car is E85, 3-inch exhaust, no headers yet, no cats taken off yet. It has a larger throttle body and the JLT 120mm intake. So it's pretty fast. It should make like 470 to the wheels, and I'm pretty sure with the headers it could get to like 500 wheel. But she's fast, and I have the Ghost Cam tune. Everything's tuned by Lund Racing. But yeah, right now I'm going to Best Buy to get an SD card for the camera I'm currently shooting on. And then after that, as you can tell, I'm getting a little bit low on gas, and I brought an extra VP Racing jug with me. So we're gonna stop at the E85 station on the way back from Best Buy, and then we're going to get gas. And then I will definitely have some races I'll record as well. I got a couple cars I can race in my area, get some cool videos for you guys. And then I also wanna go downtown. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up. I'm just gonna drive, and you guys can enjoy. And then I might start talking again, probably after Best Buy, maybe before we go in, but we'll see. Alright boys, we've made it to Best Buy, so I'm gonna hop in there real quick, grab the SD card, and then it's time to hit the gas station. My transmission is warmed up, so I will definitely be giving you guys some pulls and push the car a little bit. But yeah, see you guys in about 2 seconds. Alright boys, we just picked up the SD card. I also got a new clip for my head, whatever the hell it's called. I'm going to throw this inside the camera real quick, and I'm going to set up this new head mount, and I will see you guys on the road. Alright boys, the new mount is on, and let's go to the E85 station. buddy works right here at this Firestone, and you know we have to let him hear it. So let's let him hear it. Hopefully he heard that. I don't know. I need catless headers. The car still has cats on it, and it's loud, don't get me wrong, but being a Mustang owner, it's not loud enough. When can it ever get loud enough? You know what I mean? So I will be getting catless headers. I don't know when. It's gonna cost a lot of fucking money, so there is that, but it will happen, and when it does, best believe I will be posting a ton of content when that happens. Because I plan to get the 2-inch Cooks long tubes, and I already have basically a straight piped exhaust. I mean, I have valves and stuff, but when the valve is open, it's a straight shot all the way back. So it's gonna be nice and loud. Anyways, we're pulling into the E85 station right now, so I'm gonna get some footage for you guys of me filling up, and as well as my jug that's in the trunk. And then I'll try and get one hard pull whenever I pull out of the station, and then I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna grab some food and then head home, and then edit this video up. But I got some more races. I might actually record some more stuff tonight with my buddies, and you guys will see that too, but we'll see. We shall see. And by the way, this is the only E85 pump close to me, and it is literally the only one, and I want to say like a 15-20 mile radius. So if I wanted to go to any other pump, I'd have to drive probably 30 minutes, which kinda sucks, not gonna lie, but it's pretty close to me. That's why I bring my car. I fill up my car, and then I also fill up the jug, because with the jug, I got an extra 5.5 gallons. Well, I actually have 2 VP Racing jugs, but I only brought 1 today. But yeah, I think I got gas here literally 2 days ago, and I'm already fucking back. So that's the reality of owning a V8 on E85, and I also step on it like all the time. So anyways, let's hop out, let's fill her up, get one more good pull, and then that will be the end of the first video. You guys are watching as my money gets drained from me, bro, like my life source. Holy fuck. Take a minute to admire the plate. Who else got an E85 plate, bro? Nobody. Nobody. Alright, E85 has been acquired. Look how good the Euros look too, bro. I have the Euros, I have the clear reflectors, clear side markers, GT500, rear spoiler, GT500 MP Concepts, rear diffuser down here. She's looking good, boys. Let's start her up and then I'm gonna put the gas in the car. Fueled up. I'm gonna pop you guys back on the head mount, and then I'll do another quick pull for you boys, and then that'll be the end of this video. But I swear I will have another video posted very soon, probably like a nighttime POV with my boys because they have bikes and shit. Might go on like a quick cruise and just fucking go crazy, bro. So I do have more gas now, so I can't actually go crazy because, you know, I was fucking empty. But yep. Put her in Sport Plus, of course. Always in Sport Plus, bro. If you're not in Sport Plus, you are a pussy. I will live by that, bro. Well, unless it's cold. If the car's cold, no Sport Plus. When the car's heated up, put that bitch in Sport Plus.